Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be sharing our top 5 picks for the best pressure cookers available in the USA in 2023. We've done extensive research and testing to compile this list, so you can trust that these options are worth considering. We wanted to ensure that we cover a range of budgets, while also highlighting pressure cookers that excel in different areas. For more information on each product, including current prices, we've included the links in the description box below. Make sure to check them out for the best deals. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Number 1. Instant Pot Ultra 10-in-1 Pressure Cooker. This stainless steel wonder is a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, cake maker, egg cooker, sauté pan, steamer, warmer, and sterilizer all in one. With its pressure cooking feature, you can prepare meals in a fraction of the time. It's perfect for meats, stews, soups, and legumes. And if you prefer slow-cooked goodness, the slow cooker setting will tenderize your meats and create rich flavors in stews and chilies. Say goodbye to burnt or soggy rice. The Instant Pot Ultra has pre-programmed settings for white rice, brown rice, and even risotto. You can sauté your ingredients, sear meats, and brown veggies right in the pot before cooking. It's like having a stovetop in your Instant Pot. And here's the icing on the cake. The Instant Pot Ultra comes with a free app that gives you access to over 1,900 recipes, ensuring endless culinary inspiration. Whether you're a beginner cook or a seasoned chef, the Instant Pot Ultra's versatility and convenience will revolutionize your cooking experience. Number 2. Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 Pressure Cooker, Slow Cooker. Meet the Instant Pot Pro, an 8-quart capacity marvel that combines 10 functions in one sleek black design. First up, we have the pressure cooking function, which allows you to prepare meals up to 70% faster. Say goodbye to long hours spent in the kitchen. With the Instant Pot Pro, you can whip up succulent meats, flavorful stews, and hearty soups in no time. Need to slow things down? The Instant Pot Pro's slow cooking feature is perfect for creating tender, melt-in-your-mouth dishes. The Instant Pot Pro comes with a free app, packed with over 1,900 recipes. Whether you're craving comforting soups, delicious one-pot meals, or delectable desserts, this app has you covered. Enjoy healthier meals by steaming your favorite vegetables, fish, or even dumplings with the Instant Pot Pro's steaming function. Preserve nutrients and achieve delightful textures effortlessly. Make sure to leave a comment down below with the type of recipe you'd like me to prepare using the Instant Pot Pro. I can't wait to see your suggestions and create something amazing together. Number 3. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. This kitchen appliance is a game changer, combining 7 functions in one device: pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and warmer. The Instant Pot Duo's pressure cooking function is incredible. It cooks meals in a fraction of the time, perfect for tenderizing meat, cooking beans, or making soups. With preset cooking programs, it takes the guesswork out of recipes and ensures consistent results. You can even schedule cooking with the delay start feature. And if you're running late, the keep warm function maintains the perfect temperature until you're ready to eat. Safety is a priority with the Instant Pot Duo. It has a pressure release valve, anti-blockage vent, automatic temperature control, and a lid locking system for your peace of mind. To sum it up, the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker is versatile, efficient, and convenient. Give it a try and experience the magic for yourself. Number 4. Instant Pot Duo Plus 8-quart Whisper Electric Pressure Cooker. This fantastic kitchen appliance, designed for those who need to cook larger quantities of food. With its generous 8-quart capacity, it provides ample space for preparing meals for big families or gatherings. This versatile model offers an impressive 9 cooking functions. No matter what type of dish you're craving, the Instant Pot Duo plus 8-quart Whisper has you covered. One standout feature of this model is its Whisper quiet operation. You can say goodbye to noisy kitchen appliances, allowing you to cook in a peaceful environment. You can easily adjust cooking time and pressure settings by the digital display, and one-touch preset cooking programs make selecting the right cooking function a snap. When it comes to safety, the Instant Pot Duo Plus 8-quart Whisper doesn't compromise. It incorporates advanced safety features. Additionally, this model offers some extra enhancements also. In conclusion, the Instant Pot Duo Plus 8-quart Whisper electric pressure cooker is a versatile, convenient, and reliable kitchen companion. Number 5. The Ninja FD 401 Foodi 12-in-1 Deluxe XL 8-quart pressure cooker. This kitchen appliance designed to make your cooking experience easier and more efficient. With its generous 8-quart capacity, you'll have plenty of space to prepare large meals for your family or gatherings. This multi-purpose pressure cooker offers an impressive 12 cooking functions, including pressure cooking, air frying, slow cooking, steaming, sautéing, baking, and more. Whether you're in the mood for a succulent roast, crispy air-fried treats, or a flavorful slow-cooked stew, the Ninja FD 401 Foodi has got you covered. The Ninja FD 401 Foodi comes with a reversible rack that enables multi-layer cooking, allowing you to cook different ingredients simultaneously. Also, one of its standout features is the innovative Tender Crisp technology. When it comes to safety, the Ninja FD 401 Foodi prioritizes your peace of mind. Say goodbye to the hassle of using multiple appliances for different cooking techniques. Elevate your cooking game with the Ninja FD 401 Foodi 8-quart pressure cooker. If you enjoy this video, please like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.